This is M with M and the Gang, and I want to welcome you to our Canteen Cup Tuesday collaboration. This week, our collaborators are Happy Trails Hiking, Scoutforlife, Gaia's Pupil, JourneyofBear, Handi Camper, Zitzelman Outdoors. Sorry, Kurt, didn't mean to butcher your name. Zitzelman Outdoors, Jungle J Adventures, and Flying Squirrel Outdoors. Those folks are also going to be doing some awesome meals in their canteen cups, so please go over to their channels and check them out. The channel links will be in the description below, so definitely go check them out. They've got some awesome channels. I love going there every time I can. There's always cool stuff to see, so definitely check them out. What I'm going to make today is Kilbasa and Cabbage. It is one of our family's favorite meals. We've never tried it in a canteen cup before. I've never tried it like when we've been out hiking or anything, but I think that we can adapt it pretty easily to a canteen cup. I've already gone ahead and cut everything up. I've already gone ahead and put the salt and pepper in. So this is really ready to go. All we need is water and a fire and a canteen cup and utensils, and we should be pretty much good to go. Oh, one other thing that we definitely needed was butter. Can never have too much butter, right? I always like to have butter on my cabbage, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I was just videoing myself and realized that my head was being cut off by the video. This is reality. It happens all the time. Reality anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put out the canteen cups and go ahead and get things ready as if I was gonna do a whole meal for everybody. Of course, I would not be making it for everyone myself. That's one thing I don't like the kids to be dependent on me. I mean, obviously they're dependent on me a little bit, but when we're out camping, they generally are supposed to be pretty self-sufficient. But since they ditched me today to go do some other things, I will definitely take care of them and go ahead and make them some food. So what I did was I packaged the kielbasa separately. So I'm going to put the kielbasa in the canteen cup and get that going, and then we'll put the cabbage in later. So I'm going to go ahead and do all of those. Already here it's sizzling. This is just kielbasa. I just chopped it up. Just gonna let it cook a little bit, and then we will get the cabbage going too. So we have 3 of the regular canteen cups, and then we also have an Arctic cup that we were able to find at a thrift store. You should definitely check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. We were lucky to find these at a thrift store. Okay, so I'm just gonna give these a little stir. They seem to be cooking up pretty well. The juices are coming out. Oh, we got some campfire seasoning in that one. Yum! One thing we have a lot of at our house are cloth napkins. And this is something that is a good idea for you to take when you're camping too, because they're so versatile. You could use them for a lot of different things. I know a lot of people take handkerchiefs. This is basically kind of the same thing. They're definitely getting some good color on them now. I think it's time to put the cabbage in. Too much cabbage there. Let's see if we can make it work. Hey guys, pack it in, pack it out. If you bring it, take it with you. Don't leave trash out there. Leaving trash out there is not okay. Okay, I know this cabbage is gonna cook down some, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the water in and get this going. You want to have enough water to just barely cover the cabbage. Just threw on another log for Bushy. Backpack Bushcraft. He's a pretty cool guy. You should go check him out. One thing about cooking over a campfire is that you have to manage your heat. You've got to make sure that you've got enough heat to do the cooking, but not so much heat that you're going to scorch the bottom of whatever it is you're cooking. It's pretty much a dance with the fire, unfortunately. Sometimes you get burned, sometimes you end up with something delicious. Another major thing with cooking over a campfire is making sure that you don't get burned. Using utensils with long handles will help. You'll notice my utensil does not have a long handle. This one is ready to come off, so I'm going to go ahead and take it and I'm going to put it way over here so it's not over any of the fire. I'll let it cool off for maybe a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and drain off some of this water and then add the butter, and then this one is ready. It's gonna work out real well. Hopefully I won't drop anything. And yes, I'm just pouring it out into the ground. I'm sure a lot of you would just want to drink all of the water too, and that's fine. I mean, it's probably a really good soup and it might have some nutritional value, but generally when I eat kielbasa and cabbage, I don't drink the water with it, so that's why I'm not doing it this time. Okay, that didn't go too bad. It's all still there, and there's just a little tiny bit of water left. I think it's pretty good. I'm ready to add the butter and get eating. Gotta have butter. I mean, there's no two ways around it. You gotta have butter. I'm gonna go ahead and dish up. Here's the first one. I don't know, does it look delicious to you? Maybe not. Take a look at that. It's all of it, pretty much. Looks pretty good to me. What do you think? Would you eat that for a campfire meal? Yeah, I would. I'm going to. Looks delicious. Love it. This is delicious. Tune in next week because I have a gluten-free, meat-free meal that I'm gonna do, and some of you guys, I can hear you now groaning, but I know there are some folks out there who like to do backpacking who would appreciate seeing some Canteen Cup meals that are not full of meat. And if you're one of those folks, definitely tune in next week. And I think I'll pour off a little bit more. Oops. Okay. If you're looking for blooper reels, go to our Patreon page.